love cold water. What's going on, guys? Here for another Hypixel episode, number 4. And, oops. Today, we're going to be doing a little bit more of the forging update. So, what we're really trying to do is, we're going to be collecting some of Agatha's coupons. We're going to be trying getting upgrading our frog pet. So, let's collect our minis first, and then we'll head to that force. Something shiny. Killing monsters will remove the effect of salt. Give you a chance at catching their shard. Okay. You might encounter creatures when collecting berries. Fig hue. Let's see if we can do that real quick. Collections, forging, fig hue. Wow. We just need to get a few more fig logs. We can get that recipe and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. I'll see you then. Alright, so there we go. We just got the fig hue recipe. But I still think that we need to... Dreadwing. And I did learn out that I am able to catch these guys now. I just cannot use their shards if I get one. No, bro, this one's mine. Come on, dude. Yep. And we just got Huntington and 2 Dreadwing shards. That's pretty good. Guess we can get another one. Reel. And one more reel and we should be good. Yep, online. Alright, let's head back to the... let's head back to the town. Then we can analyze if we need more logs. Let's quickly craft up some. Might have to go buy them from the bazaar. So I do not want to grind all that. Looks like we do. Let me head to the bazaar real quick. So, 16, 14. All we need is 14 enchanted figs. Buy instantly. 14. Only 19,000. Oh, yes, and I also forgot to mention that we did get our accessory bag. And we got a couple of them. I bought a few, as you can see. Zombie, all these ones we bought from the Adventurer. Or, yeah, the Adventurer right over there. And I haven't talked to Maxwell yet about my accessory power. So, let's go do that real quick. And he's right over here. Ow. That was loud. That hurt. Okay, let's see what Maxwell has to say. Accessory bag, magical power. I do not want to read all this. Read it like a million times. Shut the fuck up. Chance, crit damage. Yeah, we can go with ferocious currently. Do need crit chance in the future. Might as well have it. Sorry about that. Alright. Let's go back to Galilea. Or, actually, let's craft the thing real quick. Stretching sticks. No. What is it? Oh, normal sticks. I don't have normal sticks. Okay. That's a little embarrassing. Really, dude? I have to buy normal sticks. 32. That's so easy. Okay, there we go. Fig Hue. Ability gains 1 sweep every 2,000 logs cut on Galea. Serious? But he can only get 20 sweeps, so it's not really worth it. That's a little stupid. I don't know why we needed to craft that. Alright, let's fast travel back to Galileo. Let's get to working on some other chapter quests. Or see if Agatha's holding... Oh, yes, Agatha is holding this contest. Sweet. Alright, I'm going to quickly speed through this contest, see if we can get uncommon or rare. And then, I'll see you then. Alright, looks like I'm not going to be getting rare, unfortunately, in this event, but, you know, we did get pretty far. Get a few logs. 22 seconds, come on, let me finish up this fig tree. Oh, wow. Aim assist, please. Aim assist. Flash free. No, I'm not. Let's come up here. Get some peckins. Sweet. Looks like we didn't get a lot, but let's see. Let's see how we did in the contest. 414. Personal best. Oh, my previous was 2. Previous 10 points. It's not good. Not good. Let's go check what or how many coupons we got. Please let me see. We're now at 50, sweet. And taming level 1. Personal best. Orange shop. Nothing new that we can get. I'll grab you though. Looks like we do need to do around 2 more contests, I'm pretty sure. Yes, or we need to get legendary, which is never happening. No, but I should think about upgrading my armor. Let's see if we can get any more forging. Let's check our collections real quick. I'll let you know if I found anything in my collections. Looks like I did find some stuff in the Fig Log collection, but that's at 100,000. I don't think we're getting that. That is a lot of money. It's a lot of sweep and a lot of forging. But we are nowhere near that at all. Nowhere near. But we will push on with the Heart of the Forest. Ooh, we're almost tier 3. It's pretty cool. Let's see. Yes, chapter 3. Collect berries. Hold the fig hue. There we go. Just had to hold it, fortunately. Obtain 100 fig tree gifts. Obtain a shard using a lush like bomb. Kill a monster while under the effect. Salt give you a chance at catching a shard. Put something shiny on the ground. Okay. I'm gonna try and find that something shiny on the ground. And I'll let you know if we see anything. If I do get stuck, I'm probably just gonna look it up, unfortunately, so get to it. So I'm not able to find it. I have no clue. I looked up what it was, and apparently it's just a shiny grass spot. So, yeah, I'm not doing that. That's boring as hell. I'd rather sit down and listen about... Are you dead ass right now? Are you serious? Is this just what it is? Okay. That's just how it works, sure. Okay. Yeah. That's cool. At least we got some mangrove logs out of it. And there's a Agatha's contest, which I will definitely be doing. Forest. Here we go. Now we just need a Lushlock Bloom and 100 fig trees. I will... Yeah, actually, you know what? I'm just gonna chop down a fig tree. Because I do not need that many points. Figs are uncommon. La la la. Give me a fig tree. Okay, there we go. Dread. Coming with me, buddy. Dude, I really want to see what's, like, in the lake, you know? Like, see what's all the fishing about. Oh, yes, and there's a new fishing update. I didn't know. And I really want to check it out so bad after I'm done doing some of this foraging update. But, jeez, it sounds good. It sounds like an improvement. So, right now, we can just... I don't know what we should do right now. I think that... That's what I want to do. Actually, I could just fish for some reason. Got you. I do not have enough mana for that. Alright, let's see. Any fishies? Yes. Fishy, fishy, mine. Alright. Where'd the fish go? There's a blue one. Looks like I'm not really finding any fish. Oh, get away. Let's go to the fusion machine. See what we can make. I recently made a mossy bit crossed with a verdant, I'm pretty sure. It turned into like this red frog. I think I can show you. It's where is it? Okay, I think it was a mossy bit. Yes, Rena, frog and amphibian family, and it gives me battle frog, which increases my strength of my frog pet, which is really good. Or I could put it with this, get a groove, put it with this, also get a dreadwing, fungal shroom. Oh wow, I'm actually able to use those. I'm gonna do that after I make any more? No. We can go to our hunting box and use these. You know what? I'll use that. And we'll keep the 2 shards. And Skyblock level 9. And we got a bunch of attributes, which are just perfect. So, let's talk to him. Dude, come on. I'm 1 attribute menu away. 4 more words. Okay. Yes. Only 2 more now. There we go. I think that got us it. Or we have to use another shard, if I understand it correctly. We might have to. And then we can just actually make a new shard. Does it? No, it doesn't. We have to do another attribute. You versus you. Sea Archer. Yeah, we'll make a Sea Archer. What does it do exactly? I didn't even read it. Oh, you give us double berries, sea lemons, sea creature chance. Okay. Monster bait, and we can upgrade David's cloak. Yes, I forgot to actually show you guys. When talking to David, we actually got his cloak. And it's already upgraded. That's pretty sweet. How much sweet do we have now? 46. We're getting really close, guys. We might actually be able to take on the mangrove tree today. We're going to use the Dreadwings. And more sweet during the night. And let's just use... shift left. Menu has been throttled. Wow, we just overloaded the menu. That's insane. Alright. Well, our frog pet's doing pretty good. Let's see. I don't know how we can increase our sweep anymore. Crap. Do we need to? Never mind. It looks like we just got our sweep up to 51 people. This is a big number. Are we able to drop the mangrove trees? Let's go to a small one. Yes, this one. Not really effectively. I'm not doing that. 51 sleep, come on. No, what we can do, actually, is we can go ahead and get another minion. So, we're going to head to our island real quick. Oh, yep. Head to our island, look in some collections, see what we need. Mining collection. I will... What collection do we need? Oh wow, we haven't worked any on combat or farming. You know what? We can upgrade our cobblestone menu. We can do that. I'll just have to go buy a few cobblestone. We can put big lock. Actually, no. I have a better spot. In mine. Pocket storage. Where everything will go. And that, and my fishing net. Tender wooden sticks. Let's go quickly get some cobblestone. Mining, cobblestone. Yeah, let's just... And then we can just go ahead and buy a stack of that. Costs us literally nothing. Probably get another minion slot out of it. Oh, what? 64 more? Oh, looks like we just have that. I think we're gonna get up to 7. 7, I'm pretty sure. Yep, that's how we can get up to 7, okay. You know what? We can also get a Lapis minion, why not? Agatha's coupons sell for so much. What? Holy moly. That is insane. That's actually crazy. Can the economy be any more shit? Front of menu, power stones, fence. Could buy Agatha coupons, but I'm not gonna do that because that sucks, bro. Oh, shards? We could sell shards? What? Oh, sell price is pretty buns. Holy moly. I never knew that we could actually sell shards. Would have been good to know. Could have just sold those. So these 4 million just for a single shard? Oh, okay. Catacombs box 1 increases the quality of boss rewards in the catacombs. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Can't really argue with that. Okay. So what minion should we do now? Let's see. Alright, yes, we can do that. That's perfect. Let's see. Fine. You know what? Let's go ahead and get a Lapis minion. I wouldn't mind that. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, 14. We'll make it even 14. And we just go ahead over to the lumber merchant, grab a wooden pick, go ahead and start making this guy. I'll be right back, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like I do not have anything. So, I'll just go ahead and get that Lapis and meet you back at the island. See you there. So I just got the Lapis minion. It didn't take me too long. But I'm a little annoyed that we didn't have the collection. So let's go ahead and craft this guy. Really? Okay. So you just ate up all the Lapis. Pretty cool. Got it, bro. 3. Alright, sorry about that. My sister walked in. Caused a little bit of havoc. We need to upgrade this Lapis minion a little bit more. So we need to go buy some enchanted Lapis. Let's get this out. Let's go ahead and buy some of that. I didn't know how the Lapis minion worked. Sell you. 0.7 coins. Jeez. How much is it running at? 4.1? What is this inflation? Oh, we can buy 2 stacks. Not too bad. Might get us up to something. And we also need to put storages on them. I will be sure to do that. 96 more. He's at 5. 25. Oh, it just gets a lot more storage. 96 more. 96. I don't know about that one. Yeah, we just got medium storages. I'll sell this. Sell it back, unfortunately. But, you know what I should do? I should get compactors. That's what I will do. I will get oddities, need upgrades, we need storage, medium, 1, 2, yes I need 2, and then auto smelter, no I don't need that, compactors, Dwarven super compactor, let's just do a normal compactor, 1, paying 2x value, okay I don't really mind. Diamond, lapis, gold, redstone, cobblestone doesn't really need to do it. Diamond, gold, iron. Yeah, I think 4 is correct. Nope, I'm an idiot. It's 5. I realized it. Nope. Please let me buy this one. And we're flat broke, people. Flat broke. Flat broke. Yep, went in. Goes in here. You need to be upgraded. Dear gold mini one. Sorry guys, just came into my room again. It looks like we do have to add the medium storage. Here we go. Put it on the lapis menu. And now the cobblestone menu. Looks like everybody's prospering. Finally got 50 sweep. Still need to do Agatha's thing, Agatha's chapters. And I got my frog leveled up a little bit more, but I'm trying to get the frog tree because I learned that you need to upgrade Agatha's shop by getting coupons, and I only need 30 more. So hopefully I'll definitely, actually no, I definitely will have my next episode. And start exploring other updates. Probably getting more accessories, campfire badges, and we'll have to work on a little bit of combat. Then again, I hope you have a great day, or night, or evening, and yeah, just have a fantastic day. Please hit that like button. Subscribe, comment what you want to see next, or if you have any ideas for me.